To assemble the NAHANCO K30 3-roll polybag dispenser, start by attaching the bottom crossbar to the legs using the bolts with washers. Tighten with a wrench or hex key included. Attach the bagging jack to the rear crossbar using the 2 carriage bolts. Screw on the nuts and tighten with the wrench included. Attach the rear crossbar onto the legs using the bolts with washers and tighten with the wrench or hex key included. Insert the top half of the uprights into each side with the polybag pole brackets facing inward. Place the polybag sorting rack on top of the uprights and attach with the bolts with washers. Tighten with the wrench or hex key included. Place the polybag poles into the rolls of desired polybags and place the poles into the polybag pole brackets. Pull the top roll of polybags through the inward positions on the polybag sorting rack. Repeat this process with the second roll in the middle position and with the bottom roll in the outer position on the sorting rack. Adjust the bagging jack to the desired height. To drop the bagging jack down, apply pressure to the pedal. That concludes the assembly of the NAHANCO K30 3-roll polybag dispenser.